Guys, from TokyoPaul, we're on the way to Harry Potter land. Yay! Right, TokyoPaul here, check it out. Oh, hello. Check it out. This way to a wonderful world of fantasy. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow. Old train. Check out the fake brick area. This Ikebukuro station in Tokyo, and this is the Seibu South exit, all the way to Harry Potterville. Way to Harry Potter land.
We are on Ikebukuro now, and same railway network, and we go to Toshimaen Station.
Toshimaen Station. Ding!
And there's the two ways to go to the Toshimaen.
We're on our way.
Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo. Adult tickets cost 6,300 Japanese yen.
Which is about 60 bucks US dollars.
And for junior ages 12 to 17, it costs like 50 to 100.
Which is about 50 US dollars. This is a transfer station. It is Toshimaen Station, where you transfer. Toshimaen Station. Look at that. Toshimaen Station. The making of Harry Potter by Warner Bros. Studio. On our way. Wow, look at the design of that clock. That is pretty cool. Look at the beautiful light post. I love those. They've got a cute telephone, Harry Potter style telephone. You hear the theme song playing? Someone's making a call. Wow. Looks like you can make a call. Wow, look at the extra designs here. We've got a witch. Harry Potter. Is that Gryffindor? Look at all these flags and banners.
Oh, that's the flag of Gryffindor. And the blue one behind is Ravenclaw.
And the black one?
It's like Hogwarts.
Cool. Alright. And the green one?
Is it Slytherin?
Slytherin.
And Hufflepuff.
What?
The yellow one is
Wow. Hufflepuff?
Hufflepuff.
Oh, dude, really? Yeah, I didn't know that. Cool. Check it out. In the beginning of Harry Potter Land, there's a Voldemort snake. I can't say his name. The one we don't talk about. And then we've got the giant eyeglasses over there. Whoa. That's Hagrid? Wow. Harry and Hagrid. Oh, I haven't seen one of these statues like ever. And I had to get this. Alright, check it out. These are Harry Potter giant spectacles. Look at that. Hagrid has all these letters, Harry, 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 written on them. Cool. More snake looks so cool up close. Alright, we have arrived. The making of Harry Potter. Harry's protective animals. Harry's protective animals. surprisingly, at about 3:30 on a Monday, national holiday, that was ticketing, and this is the line. Not too bad on a August 14th day. You see is this giant bird after you exit security. Wow. Boys we love, best do live in us forever. JK Valley. Wow.
Check out
The shop? Okay. It's like a really movie-like wall going on up on the background here. Look at the wall. The whole map. We are there at the entrance. Okay. I see a butter beer bar at the top right. There's Forbidden Forest on the upper left. London Ministry of Magic, upper left. Anything else? Broomstick Experience on the left.
costume and props.
Wow.
And like a learning of Hogwarts.
Wow, and the little footsteps all over. And bathrooms, yay. Great Hall, bright. Whoa, look at that, wizards. Oh, dang, I thought they were mannequins. There's a gift shop here, wow. Oh, we gotta check that out.
Oh, there's a food hall there.
Where?
And you know,
Oh, yeah, that looks really cool. Check it out. Looks like the Great Hall. Check it out. It's Quidditch. It's chasing the Quidditch ball. Wow. It's a crazy screen. Check out the gift shops. 30% off. Anime Harry Potter?
yeah.
Wow, they even got the bad guy. What's his name? Malfoy. Oh, wow. Harry in the middle there. What do you want? Wow. Look at Harry in his face. Whoa. Yeah. It's kind of cool the way they do it for our generation. I don't want to read too much. Or the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Wow, dude. This is in Japan. Wow, that's kind of cool. Oh, it's like a date. Yeah, a date. Check this out. This is the butter beer. Butter beer from the Butter Beer Cafe. It's making butter beer. They even have that really cool truck. I mean, triple decker over there. So the bread is really good and nice and chewy and crispy on the outside, and the patty is hard, chewy, but like harder than Japanese patty, so it's really good. Reminds me of a Western burger, so that's delicious. And they've got tomato and they've got some greens in there. So all in all, for 2,200 yen, $22 burger, it's alright, pretty good. I give it a B+. And fries are great too. By the way, this diner, the decor doesn't look like Harry Potter to me. Finally, we can drink butter beer here at Harry Potter in Tokyo. This was 1,100 yen. We can wash it over on the side and take the glass home. $11 for butter beer. Let's go. Holy crap, it tastes like butter, caramel, popcorn, and a hint of beer. Delicious. Very sweet. Like candy. Perfect. Thank you. Wait. Washing it to take it home. Try it. Ta-da, all clean. Night bus appearing in Harry Potter, Prison of Azkaban. The night bus is a wizardry mode of transportation that can measure speed along a city street, start and stop, and shapeshift, and moving around Muggle traffic. Good idea, right? Muggle traffic. How do they make this night bus look so expensive? 3 floors, dude. 3 floors.
The chandelier is swinging.
Oh my, I didn't even notice that. Chandelier swinging. Right there. 3 floors. Telephone.
We saw this telephone at the station.
Yeah, man, it's loud, right?
I think that can like a lead go.
A chair?
Yeah.
Alright, tour continues this way. Alright, let's see what's here. So the Ministry of Magic. Wow! I think this comes more from Fantastic Beasts. Whoa, dude! This is the train! And the original, maybe to push it through the wall. Remember that? That seems cool. Look at that. Oh yeah, through the train. Check it out! People are sitting and waiting. What are they waiting for? But look at that, people waiting to go through the Hogwarts Express. 934, everybody's trying to go through. Do you want? Oh, everyone's waiting to do it. You have to wait in line and take a picture. Wow. I see. So many owls and people here in Diagon Alley. What's going on here? Kind of surreal. Back home on our way to Ikebukuro.